How to make an animated GIF for emails with Canva.
Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now I'm going to animate this image to be a GIF. And this is exactly how I'm going to do it. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to group some images together so they can be easy to work with. So I'm just going to hold down my shift key and I'm going to tap on the images that I'm going to group together. Now, I'm not grouping everything, just a few, the strawberries, and this indulge in the delight flavor of strawberry bliss scoop. Tap on group. Now they are together and it's easier to work with. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to duplicate this page. So you want to go down to where you see page 1, click on the 3 dots there, and then we're going to click on duplicate page. Now we're going to go back to page 1 and then the images that we grouped, we're going to reduce the size. The ice cream, we're also going to reduce it. We'll make sure that this can hide inside of the ice cream. Now, after doing that, I'm also going to bring this strawberry just a little down, and we're also going to reduce the size. Get this new flavor and also reduce the size also. Okay. Now I'll just take it to the middle of the strawberry right up. And then the next thing I want to do is to go in between page 1 and page 2. Now you're going to click on add transition. Tap on that and you want to go to match and move. And tap on match and move. You can see what it did. Now we're also going to increase the duration of that. And you just made a GIF. So I'm going to download this so I can show you the end results. Head over to share. Go to download. You can see, and then I'm going to click on download. So I'm going to show you the end results. This is exactly how to make animated GIF for email with Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.